This oval seed bead ring is easy to make, and today we'll start with this green and white pattern, but you can get a variety of different looks by changing up the pattern of the beads. So I'll show you another option at the end of the video. So let's get started. For this project, you will need green and white seed beads, beading cord, 2 beading needles, and glue or fingernail polish. To get ready to make the ring, you want to measure out about 24 inches of beading cord, and you want to use 2 beading needles. I like the flexible wire beading needles, especially for this pattern, but you can use a regular straight needle as long as the eye is small enough for the seed beads to slip over. Once you've got your cord cut, you're going to thread a needle on each end of the cord. Start with a single white seed bead and thread that through to about the middle of your string. Then string 5 green seed beads on each side. Now string on another white bead. Then with the other needle, go through in the opposite direction. So you have the strings going through in the opposite directions to form a loop. Then you're going to repeat this pattern until the ring is as long as you would like it to be. You want to measure it to fit around your finger so it's easy to slide on and off but still fits snugly. I find that the right size is between 6 and 8 ovals. You want to end with each string holding 5 green seed beads. Once the ring is the right size, leave the needles threaded, and then you're going to go through and thread each string in the opposite direction of this first white bead. Go through the white bead and then also take your needle down through the next 2 or 3 beads. And then do the same thing in the opposite direction with the other string. Through the white bead and down through 2 or 3 of the green beads. Tighten everything up. Now tie a knot between the 2 beads where your thread is coming out. Loop the cord around and then run the needle through the loop 2 times to make the knot. And pull very slowly and gently until that knot is snug. Then you want to run the needle down through the next 2 beads. Repeat for the other side. Add a little dot of glue or clear fingernail polish to that knot to make sure that it doesn't come undone. Cut the ends off the cord and you're ready to go. Once you've made a ring with that pattern, you can experiment with different styles. This gold and silver one alternates the middle bead. Instead of being a different color, I alternated silver and gold with each oval, and it gives it a nice swirl or twisted pattern. So you can try that one, or just use multicolored beads in a random pattern, or make every other oval a different color. Really, the varieties are endless.